99% of all drivers have zero idea these secret features even exist inside their own cars. But here's the twist. One of them could actually save you thousands in car repairs. And most likely, you're currently ignoring this hidden feature before you waste another dollar. Here's 15 unheard of car features no one told you about. Don't skip to save time and money. Let's start now with number 15. Overhead rear view mirror for passengers. Want a safer way to check on kids or pets in the rear seats without twisting around? Plenty of family-oriented vehicles, especially larger SUVs and vans with multiple rows, include a clever secondary mirror hidden away. Often stashed in the overhead console or behind a flip-down panel near the sunglasses holder, this wide-angle reflector pulls down to give you a clear panorama of the back area. It's perfect for spotting if little ones are dozing off peacefully or getting into mischief, all while keeping your focus forward on the driving. Travelers with animals appreciate it too. Quick glances confirm if your furry friend is settled or causing chaos. Some designs even allow the mirror to detach for wiping down spills or crumbs. In a pinch, rear passengers can flip it for a quick self-check before arriving somewhere. Keep in mind, availability depends on the model. It's more common in certain brands like Honda or Toyota, and might be tucked into the sun visor or roof controls instead. Discovering this simple addition makes family drives far less worrisome. Number 14. Programmable auto door locking. Tired of remembering to secure the doors every time you hit the road? Many cars have a built-in option to enable automatic locking that's rarely highlighted in manuals. With the vehicle stationary and ignition on, simply press and hold the driver's door lock switch for around 5–10 seconds. Exact timing varies by make, like Nissan or Honda models. A flash of lights or audible tone signals it's engaged. Now doors secure themselves once you exceed a low speed, often around 10–15 meters. This adds peace of mind against forgetfulness or potential threats, especially useful for delivery workers or anyone frequently picking up passengers. The deliberate hold duration ensures it's not triggered accidentally during normal use. To toggle it off, repeat the process for a different confirmation signal. Once set up, it provides effortless protection on every trip. Number 13. Manual headlight beam adjustment. Frustrated by flashes from oncoming traffic even with lows on? Factory settings can shift over time from road impacts or heavy cargo, misaligning beams. Most vehicles hide simple adjusters, typically geared wheels or screws, right behind the headlight units, reachable under the hood. One controls up-down tilt, the other side-to-side angle. DIY realignment is straightforward. On level ground, position about 25 feet from a blank wall at dusk, mark the beam hotspots, then tweak until they're aimed just below horizontal and slightly inward, following road regulations for your area. Proper setup not only prevents dazzling others but boosts your nighttime road illumination, potentially avoiding hazards. Caution: avoid forcing the wrong mechanism, and advanced projector or adaptive lights may need dealer tools. Fine-tuning this yourself enhances safety and courtesy without expense. Number 12. Approach-activated handle and puddle lighting. Struggling to locate handles or keys in dimly lit lots? Select modern cars equip door handles and mirrors with intelligent illumination that activates on proximity. As you near with the key fob, subtle LEDs brighten the handles, surrounding ground, and even the entry area, forming a welcoming glow pool. This convenience reduces fumbling in unsafe spots and highlights puddles or obstacles underfoot. Systems often use reliable detection to trigger only when needed, conserving energy. Dirt buildup from roads can dim performance, so occasional cleaning restores full effectiveness. When functioning optimally, it significantly eases and secures evening arrivals. Number 11. Driver fatigue alert symbol. Spot a steaming mug icon popping up on your dash? It's no random coffee suggestion. It's a critical alert signaling possible drowsiness. Advanced monitoring in newer models tracks steering patterns, lane drifts, or even eye movements via interior cameras to spot fatigue signs like micro-corrections or prolonged blinks. Stats highlight how tired driving contributes to thousands of incidents annually, making this a potential lifesaver on extended hauls. Some allow tweaking alert thresholds in vehicle menus for personalization. Interference from bright sunlight, eyewear, or blocked views can reduce accuracy, so optimal conditions help it perform best. Heating the prompt to rest can sharply lower accident risk from weariness. Number 10. Power-assisted trunk closure. Struggling with a trunk that seems to rebound instead of sealing shut? Many premium vehicles include a clever power latch system that finishes the job for you. As you lower the lid to near-closed position, built-in sensors detect it's almost latched, and a small electric motor gently draws it the rest of the way for a tight, secure fit. This ensures proper weather sealing without any forceful slamming, protecting the hinges, lid alignment, and rubber seals from premature wear. Delivery pros and frequent haulers rely on it to avoid damage from rushed closures. The mechanism activates only in that final inch or so, providing a smooth hands-free completion. Note that it's more common in luxury brands or higher trims, and if the motor or sensors malfunction, professional diagnosis might run a few $100s. When it's operating as designed, loading and unloading feels premium and reliable every time. Number 9. Built-in tire wear indicators. Spot those tiny raised ridges or bars in the grooves of your tires. They're not just part of the design. They're smart safety markers showing exactly when tread is too low. Molded right into the rubber at a height of 232 inch, the legal minimum in most places, these bars become flush with the surrounding tread as it wears down. Once they're level, traction drops sharply, especially on wet roads, raising the risk of skids or blowouts. A quick visual check takes seconds. Glance across the grooves on all 4 tires. Mechanics always inspect them during routine service, but you can stay ahead without tools. Interestingly, this simple indicator has been standard on tires for generations, yet countless drivers overlook it until issues arise. For best performance, consider replacing sooner. At around 432 inch, particularly if you drive in rainy or snowy conditions. Regular monitoring with these markers helps catch problems early and keeps you safer on the road. Number 8. Detachable headrest safety design. Curious about the release button and adjustable posts on your headrest? It's more than comfort. Proper positioning reduces whiplash risk by aligning the top ear with your head height and keeping it close to the back of your skull. But there's an emergency backup. Fully releasing the headrest removes it entirely, revealing sturdy metal rods that can potentially shatter side window glass in a trapped scenario. Engineers crafted these posts from strong material capable of focused impacts on tempered glass. This dual-purpose element has been around for years as a low-cost safety addition. Use it only on side windows, never the windshield, which is laminated and flexible, aiming at the edges for best results. While not foolproof and better replaced with dedicated tools, knowing it's there adds an extra layer of preparedness. Number 7. Reverse assist mirror adjustment. Backing up and wishing for a better view of curbs or lines? Certain models feature an automatic downward tilt for the passenger or both side mirrors when you engage reverse. This shifts focus to the ground near your wheels, highlighting obstacles your rear camera might overlook. Often off by default, activation usually involves selecting the mirror on the door switch before shifting to reverse. It then memorizes and restores your forward driving angle seamlessly upon shifting out. Parallel parking or tight spots become far less guesswork. If another driver tweaks settings, simply readjust in reverse to update the memory. Once enabled, it transforms maneuvering in crowded areas. Number 8. Hill hold brake assistance. Starting on steep slopes without rolling back, vehicles with electronic parking brakes often include an integrated hold function that senses inclines and maintains brake pressure briefly after you release the pedal. This gives ample time to move to the accelerator smoothly, eliminating that tense moment. It taps into existing sensors from stability systems for reliable operation on grades as low as a few degrees. Ideal for urban hills or congested inclines, it works invisibly in the background. On flat ground, it stays dormant to avoid unnecessary activation. Trusting this subtle aid makes uphill departures effortless and safer. Number 5. Adjustable speed capping. Want control over maximum velocity without constant vigilance? Beyond standard cruise, some cars offer a limiter that caps top speed at your chosen level. You can drive normally below it, but flooring the pedal won't exceed the set point. Great for enforced zones, lending to learners, or maintaining discipline in monitored areas. European brands commonly include it, though availability varies. Consult your manual for setup via steering controls. Override is possible with firm pressure in emergencies. Strategically applied, it prevents unintentional speeding where it matters most. Number 4. Factory engine pre-warmer. Facing frigid mornings where starts feel strained? Vehicles prepared for cold regions may include a block heater element in the engine, with a cord often concealed near the grille or bumper. Plugging into a household outlet warms coolant and oil beforehand, easing cranking, cutting wear, and delivering cabin heat faster. Preheating for a couple hours can dramatically improve performance in sub-zero temps. Location differs by make. Check under the hood or behind panels. In milder climates, it's sometimes present, but unused. Utilizing it extends engine life during harsh winters. Number 3. Sunroof water drainage system. Wondering how rain stays out of a sunroof-equipped car? It's not fully sealed. Small channels and tubes in the corners route water away, exiting discreetly near wheels or rockers. Debris like dirt or leaves can block them, leading to overflows. That damage interiors and electronics, repairs easily hit thousands. Preventive care. Periodically clear the corner openings with compressed air or flexible line, and test by pouring water to confirm flow. Detailers encounter this issue often, yet it's a quick DIY task mentioned in manuals. Staying on top of it avoids costly surprises from hidden buildup. Number 2. Personalized driver memory profiles. Sharing the car and tired of readjusting everything? Power-equipped models frequently store multiple setups for seats, mirrors, and even steering via numbered buttons on the door. Fine-tune to your liking, then save by holding the set and number keys. A confirmation tone verifies. Recall instantly with a press, restoring your exact preferences. Higher-end versions link to key fobs for automatic adjustment on approach. Perfect for households with varying driver heights. Programming once eliminates daily fiddling. Number 1. Traffic stop brake retention. Spending endless time in gridlock, foot cramping on the brake? Look for the auto hold option near the shifter. It engages brakes fully at stops, allowing complete pedal release until you accelerate. No rolling, no effort, ideal for lights, jams, or inclines. It uses standard hardware for seamless operation, releasing instantly without jolt. Some deactivate after prolonged stops, switching to parking mode. Adapting to it transforms exhausting commutes into relaxed ones. Your legs stay fresh through the worst rush hours. These revelations highlight how much clever engineering is built into everyday vehicles. Which surprised you most? Or have you been using already? Share below. If these insights help dodge repair costs or reveal your car's true potential, stay tuned for more practical automotive discoveries that put you in control.